Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Alright you guys, first off, this is sweat. This is sweat. This is Midwest, Southern Illinois, September 1st. It doesn't cool off until like November. Yeah, so I'm sorry, I'm disheveled. Still trying to get Sophie, my German Shepherd, on the mend. She's not really wanting to eat much now, so it's like one thing after the other. I am fearful that the next update will not be a good one. So you guys please send prayers, good vibes, whatever you can, because I can't handle losing her and my job and the shitstorm that has become my life. I just can't. I try not to cuss in my videos, but man, the last one and this one are just gonna be like not good. But anyway, I'm gonna try and keep it down. I just want to throw on a lipstick. I don't even know what I have over here. I am just so sweaty. This is the Essence of Slim Stick Brick Road. This is the shade. Whew, you guys, it is brutal, man. It is brutal. You cannot walk outside without turning into sweat. All right, let's see how this looks. Okay. Sophie's just in her kennel watching me. So we're gonna do the original Naked Urban Decay palette. I did not know that this packaging was like, what is that word I'm looking for? Velvet, I think? I did not know that. No idea. So here's the inside of this palette. I'm sure y'all have seen it before. I actually did not own like the first round of this that came out like 14, 16 years ago, whatever it was. So like this is my first time trying this, period. So it does come with a brush. I usually don't use their brushes because I'm just used to mine. So let's just see. I'm just gonna use mine and just see what happens. I'm probably, something really weird just happened. Like I swear I thought I saw something like a flash of light, or I thought one of my lights went off, but it didn't. I'm not sure if the camera caught that, but that was really weird. I'm not sure what just happened. Yeah, that was weird. Anyway, we're gonna do the same look on both eyes just for time's sake. And we'll just see what happens. So let's start with the shade Naked. Why not? Right here. These are really, really small. I'm not used to these small, I guess you would call them pan sizes. Or I guess I should say they're more narrow. Alright, so pretty shade. Blending out beautifully. I think this is going to be like my everyday work palette. Because I do really basic looks during the work week. So I think this would be perfect for that. Just something super duper simple. Out the door. There we go. Now let's go in with the shade Buck, because that's really the only other matte shade beside the shade Virgin, but that's like almost white. So yeah, this is like the perfect, super easy everyday look. If you're like me, you don't have a lot of time in the morning, you work in an office. Yeah. I am like so sweaty. I can't even anymore. Life, you guys, it is just. Also, I'm not wearing blush. I had to rush out the door because I didn't want to upset Sophie in the morning. Just trying to get her to kind of get a little more sleep because she's just been all out of sorts. I'm gonna take some glitter glue and put on my lids. So I just kind of grabbed some makeup, threw it in a bag, and ran over to my mom's house to get ready because my husband also, he needed to get some sleep. And so yeah, our whole routine, everything is just a mess right now. All right, now So a lot of these look more metallic-y. Like the shade Sidecar right here looks more like a true shimmer. Gunmetal, that's more of like a matte with like the little like glitter pinpoints in it. Toasted, Dark Horse, Smog, Half Baked, those all look more like metallics. Sin, kind of. So let's, I kind of want to go in with, for some reason, I'm just really wanting to use that shade Toasted just to see what it looks like. And I totally dipped into the wrong shade for a second. Hold on, let me redo that. I don't know. I had to pick this up. I had to see what all the hype was about. Like, is it that good? You know, I mean, back then probably, because I don't think there were as many options really. But yeah, I just had to, I didn't want to have that FOMO. I just had to see what this was all about. And apparently this has been like reformulated, so I don't know what the first round was like, because I never had that palette. I'm really not like much of a high-end makeup girly. If you've been here for a minute, you know I love, love, love me some indie brands, and yeah. I mean, it's pretty. It's, you know, I mean, obviously there are a million palettes that would probably do something similar. My bangs are just driving me crazy. I'm just such a mess right now. All right, so let's go back in with that shade Buck, which is the shade right here, and that's what we're going to use for the lower lash line. Dang it, I've got this like long hair hanging down, and it just will not get out of the way. I'm pretty sure it's still there. These bangs, they're just wet and gross, and I'm wet and gross, and it's just not working out. I want to, because I don't have a blush on, and I bought these Essence Baby Got Blush liquid blushes. I did have them all in one place, but it appears that, okay, here's the other one. I wore this one yesterday, which is Dusty Rose. I kind of want to go in with the deeper one, which is Blush and Berry, this one right here. Also, I don't have my sponge, so I'm going to try and not screw. That just literally just shot out onto my finger. Can you see that? I don't know how this is going to work. This is probably a bad idea. Maybe not. You know, I always do this. I'm like, is this a bad idea? Should I do this? Okay. Also, all the sweat probably doesn't help, but again, Midwest, summer, it's gonna happen. Okay. It's actually really pretty. I just wish I had a brush to kind of like buff it out a little bit. There we go. All right. I actually think that's really pretty. So let's try and kind of do that on the other side. All right. Okay. We're good. We're good. Oh wait, I forgot to. This has like a twisty thing that you can lock it in place. I don't have anything to wipe this off on, so I guess I'm just gonna keep that on my fingers and hopefully not get it all over anything else. I got a hair from that brush that fell off. All right. I'm gonna go in with, I just want this shade Sin just for like a slightly lower inner corner highlight as I'm trying to not get that blush all over. All right, so very, very classic look. It is pretty. A lot more toned down than I would normally do, but let me go do some mascara, get this wiped off, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. Very simple. It's pretty, it's classic. Do I think you absolutely need this Naked or Decay palette? I mean, here's the inside of it. You know, it's one of those things. It's really subjective. I mean, if you think you're going to reach for this every single day, this is going to be your go-to palette. I mean, the quality is good. It is nice. It's $59, so maybe wait and see if it goes on sale, but they did say it's limited edition, so I don't know how long it's going to be around. For me, I can tell this is going to be my everyday palette because I cannot get this in the box. Like, how, Urban Decay, how do you do your boxes? Anyway, because for work weeks, Monday through Friday, I mean, I am at work every day, you know, every Monday through Friday. So I need something simple that I can reach for, do a quick look, and get out the door. Sorry, I'm still feeling that hair. I want to do a little more setting spray because it's just hot and this just feels really good. So anyway, you guys, yeah, there's a lot going on in my life right now. None of it is good. That's all I can say. Sophie, I'm hoping she'll start eating more and get better, but if she doesn't, we're gonna have to make a really difficult decision and it's not gonna be easy. So that's kind of where I'm at, you guys. I just want to be open and transparent with you. I mean, y'all know I struggle anyway. Like, my Monday through Friday is hell, and now like weekends are hell, and it doesn't stop, and things just keep getting worse, and I don't know. I literally don't know what to do anymore. I try my best to be strong and to make it through, but it's not easy. So anyway, that's where we're at, you guys. Seriously, what helps me out more than anything, like, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and also, if you don't mind, share my content. Like, that would mean the absolute world to me. That could be something that potentially allows me to maybe get out of my job one day and be in a place that is much better, and I want to do something that can be more helpful to others. So yeah, those are just some things that would really help me. Us tiny creators, like, I make no money off of this. Like, I spend my own money to get these palettes to review for you guys, to show you guys, and I love doing it. It's just, yeah, it'd just be nice to be able to, you know, maybe somehow get out of my bad situation with my job and just to be able to deal with things I need to be able to deal with. But I mean, I know we're all struggling. Like, I'm not any better than anyone else. So I'm just throwing it out there. If you're gonna help me out with this video, thumbs up, comment down below. Did you guys purchase the original Urban Decay Naked palette, like, that came out years ago, or did you just pick this one up because you're like me and you were just curious, like, what is this all about? So anyway, you guys, I'm so sorry. There's a hair and I just cannot get it, and that feeling just drives me crazy. But anyway, seriously, thank you so much. Remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.